How cereal is made. Planting. The warm season cereals are grown in tropical lowlands year-round and in temperate climates during the frost-free season. Rice is commonly grown in flooded fields, though some streams are grown or dry land. Other warm climate cereals, such as sorghum, are adapted to arid conditions. Cool season cereals are well adapted to temperate climates. Most varieties of a particular species are either winter or spring types. They resume growing in the springtime and mature in late spring or early summer. This cultivation system makes optimal use of water and frees the land for another crop early in the growing season. Period. Once the cereal plants have grown their seeds, they have completed their life cycle. The plants die and become brown and dry. As soon as the parent plants and their seed kernels are reasonably dry, harvest can begin. In developed countries, cereal crops are universally machine harvested, typically using in a combined harvester which cuts, threshes, and winnows the grain during a single pass across the field. In developing countries, a variety of harvesting methods are in use depending on the cost of labor, from combines to hand tools such as the cradle. If a crop is harvested during wet weather, the grain may not dry adequately in the field to prevent spoilage during its storage. In this case, the grain is sent to a dehydrating facility, where artificial heat dries it. Process. The cereal industry uses colored hard maize as raw materials for the production of cornflakes. This type of maize presents major hardness and fragments in chunks of major granulometry. The industry of the dry grinding is the one that it provides flaking grits, thick fraction of endosperma horny, that enter to the process of production of cornflakes. Every flaking grit, it will be one cornflake. The quality of the grain demanded by the industry points on the obtaining discharge provided of thick fractions in the grinding, originated by the hardness and the size of the grain. In the industrial process of production of cornflakes, flaking grits, they are cooked to pressure during 1 to 2 hours, in syrup of saccharose, malt, and salt to soften them. Once dried, one proceeds to the laminated one in rollers of stainless steel. This way you obtain the smallest leaves that later cook in an oven to high temperature to 50-72 Fahrenheit during 50 seconds, where they dry up and blister, giving the snowflakes of maize of brown golden color that can or not to be flavored before the commercial package.